You got that good vibe. You give me that good vibe all night. You get me so high, so high. You give me that good vibe, alright. You know what you do to me. Got me feeling helpless, no remedy. It's like I'm living in a movie scene, and I can't deny this chemistry. Oh my God, it's so electric, unexpected, oh. Oh my God, this feels so reckless, through my defenses.
Wow, here we have a master chef. Nice, fantastic. Here we have some amazing fish going on. They're looking crazy good. Okay, we have the great team here looking at the food. Say hi. Woo! Yes, thank you. Amazing food. See you next time.
Give me that good vibe, alright. Come a little closer, I just wanna hold you, never let it fade away.
Coffee, cheers here. Woo! Let's get this started. Yeah, that definitely was a really beautiful sunrise here. I managed to fly the drone. I'm clearly not the only one. A lot of people enjoying this crazy view. Actually got a bit of a war wound here. I managed to put my finger into the propeller of the drone, but that's what happens. It was worth it. Nice views. Good morning and welcome to 2:33 here at Mount Bromo in Surabaya, Indonesia. We're gonna go for a sunrise hike, so it's very dark in the background. Gonna see it around 5, then I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of nice food and nature along the way and a cool day ahead. I'm gonna be here for like a week, so if you wanna see more, give me a like and subscribe and I'll bring you guys along. But now hopefully we can enjoy some fantastic nature and first see the sunrise day after full moon here at the Mid-Autumn Festival. So let's get going. Okay, first let's jump into the Jeep here and get starting here. Drive here, it's a lot of cars in the background. Then we're gonna start hiking 3 hours. Let's go. Okay, so we just got off the car. It's 3:30 or 3:24 in the morning. Time to start walking. Always love to get up early for some morning adventure. Very misty and smoky here, quite bad actually. You see the moon here. It's gonna be an amazing morning. Hopefully we have fantastic sunrise as well to look forward to. Definitely a lot of commerce and traffic going on here. Even though it's early in the morning, a lot of cars, people walking up here to this Volcano, really popular. You can have some nice breakfast, but we're gonna go up here to the starting point in the background and then we're gonna eat when I get back instead. What is it? Corn? How is it? Nice, good breakfast. A lot of stuff on sales here, gloves, masks, food. Let's go. There's a lot of restaurants and stuff in the background here everywhere. You can buy a lot of cool snacks, but actually I prefer to do fasting in the morning and save the calories for later. I feel if you just push the first meal a bit later, you save up a lot of space. Once you start eating, you just want to continue eating, so I will save that for later. I'm sure we're gonna have some nice food instead. I'm just gonna keep it basic with some black coffee here, keep the energy and save the food for a bit later. Nice with some coffee. Coffee cheers here. Nice, let's go. Fantastic. So after some great energy from the black coffee and the other side some noodles and other cool stuff, it's time to start hiking. Go with all the other people here. Let's go. Definitely gotta be a bit careful when you're walking up here on the volcano. Good, we have some lighting here. Pretty hard to see where you're going. Definitely starting to be a bit windy here. You can see it down here in the background. Pretty cool. Let's continue walking. Very bright with this wind here. Oh, we made it. Waiting for the sunrise now to start. Definitely a bit of a windy situation here going on. Very dark here, but really beautiful in the background with the sunrise and really chilly. Yeah, that definitely was a really beautiful sunrise here. I managed to fly the drone. I think it's gonna take a bit of a relaxing, chill time here. Enjoy a bit more, then walk down and have some nice breakfast. So see you on the way down there. Actually, we have another volcano to see over here in the background, so we're just gonna head down here before we can get some food. But that was a very rewarding morning, that's for sure. Let's go. Definitely very dusty walking down here. Gotta be careful. Ooh. Great to recharge with some coffee here. Totally black in the face after all that ash. Nice, then we're gonna walk to the other volcano with some fresh energy. Amazing. Fantastic, managed to get a hat and a scarf here. 40,000 RMB. No, not RMB, rupee. Great deal. Now we're warm, ready to go for the next hike. Really beautiful morning here. Yeah, now the weather definitely changed when we got down here. We're gonna walk up to this other volcano in the background here. 30 minutes walk up, 250 steps. Really nice. Even have like some horses and stuff going on in the background here. Really cool start to the day, and it's only like 8 in the morning. Really good morning. Get some activity in. A lot of fantastic food everywhere here. Smells amazing. A lot of other stuff you can buy here as well. Cool stuff. Very sandy, very really cool environment here with the horses, and you have all this stuff you can buy in the background. Definitely quite different than earlier this morning, and also probably what we're gonna have the rest of the week here. Very different landscapes. Really cool way to start the morning. Definitely pretty cool hike up here with this background and people walking by, and have these horses. We continue walking all the way up here. The stairs. Great to get some morning cardio in. Okay, let's start to climb up on the stairs. Oh wow, I finally made it. You can see all the way down in the crater. It's definitely pretty spectacular. You can smell the sulfur here. And then of course when you turn around in the background you can see all the way down here. It's a pretty cool landscape. So you can fly the drone a bit and walk around here before we head back and have some nice food. Yeah, that was pretty cool seeing this here, but I think now it's time to go back. We have other stuff to do as well. We need some food as well, so we're gonna walk down here, see a bit later. Finally time for breakfast. Not the best I've seen here, but at least we have some chicken, we have a little bit of eggs, some noodles and rice, but I'm gonna keep the carbs relatively low, but at least better than all these garbage snacks outside. So I'm just gonna get some energy now. It's 10, perfect, and then we'll get going and see what's up next. Always fine to try some interesting local snacks when you're out there. We have some very spicy sausage. Let's try it. Probably not the healthiest thing you can find here, but spicy. Let's try it. Protein. Ooh, definitely some chili flavor. 9 grams on protein. Fantastic, better than all this sugar stuff. Yeah, let's continue. Selling more street snacks here. Always fun when you try and stop everywhere. People are getting money and buy stuff. Hello, hello. People everywhere on the street here. Oh, we got these nice mangoes yesterday, as I mentioned in my last video. I'm just gonna try to have a bite here. Just wash the skin and try it. So let's have a bite. Wow, that's juicy. Fresh from the street. Super nice. The driver actually had was perfect healthy snack. So it seems that I lost my microphone somewhere, trying to find where I put it. Just want to see how the sound turns out now. Unfortunately it might be a bit worse from now on, but still when I enjoy it, it's very beautiful. Cafe in the background before I'm going dinner, so let's see you there and get some kind of food. At least the hotel is a lot better here this time. The background here, as you can see, really nice with the sunset. But now, that's, as I mentioned, have some food and meet the friends. Now I'm very happy camper again because I found the microphone here. Now we're gonna celebrate with some nice dinner. Definitely in a better mood now on the way to food. I'm passing by this beautiful mosque here actually in the background. Bali is actually Hindu, but here they're Muslim, as in the rest of Indonesia mostly. So there's a lot of mosque in the minarets you can hear in the background. Just love these very tropical vibes in the background. Our friend found a nice restaurant here. Gonna be some fantastic local food, so let's down and check it out. Definitely some pretty amazing vibes here in the background. We have a lot of water and really cool environments. I am sure the food is gonna be amazing too. Just walking outside, really cool streets and environments. I'm sure it's gonna be a pretty amazing dinner. Let's sit down. Ooh, we have some mango juice coming in. That's looking crazy good. Ooh, I think we have some food coming in. That's looking crazy good. Wow, a whole coconut. Nice. What a fantastic way to end this long day. Getting up at 2 in the morning, then hiking, seeing the volcano, but ordering all this amazing food in the background. We had a lot of fish, and we had some squid, chicken, beef ribs, a lot of fantastic vegetables, even deep fried mushrooms. And just walk a little bit outside, explore here. But then I think you're gonna call it an early night. Getting up 5 tomorrow again. Busy times ahead. You're gonna see some waterfalls. So if you wanna see a bit more of that kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.